What's up, guys? A lot of speculation on the brand and manufacturer we'll be racing with for the next 2 years. But we're excited to announce we've signed a new 2-year deal with Yamaha. We're going to be staying home and continue to develop our program with the Blue Crew.
After all the rumors and talks that ClubMX might be moving to a different brand, that right there tells you they're not. They have signed a new 2-year deal with Yamaha to be staying as a satellite team. I don't know how you really want to call it. And then they did lose Enzo Lopes this year to Star Racing Yamaha, to the Fig Factory boys. So who knows if there's a little bit of a sting there or something, or if it's, as a satellite team, you kind of want that. You want to give guys a chance on a good bike, on a good system, on a good team to ride well and to move up, because, you probably don't have the money to sign the big name guys, but you really want to give, riders a team to do well on and progress. And they still have Jeremy Martin and Garrett Marchbanks, and then Phil Nicoletti, and the rumored fourth rider. So if you have an idea of who the fourth rider might be, comment down below. If you're happy they're staying, or if you wish they'd gone to a different brand, whatever, say it. Say which one you would have liked down below also. As you're going down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.